Okay, so today we are going to be making the Llamacorn shield from Fortnite. I thought it looked really cool, so I want to build it. Let me just show you a picture of it real quick, and then we can get into building. Okay, so it's been a bit, and I've done a couple things. I have made the shield, or the base of it. As you notice, there's some nicks in the back, and actually, I also did all these lines out. So this doesn't matter at all, because I'm going to cover it in this, and I'll talk about that in a second. But first, I kind of drew a rough thing in the front. This is the kind of where the different part is. I think I'm going to maybe put a piece of cardboard there in that shape, just to make it raised. Then I'm gonna have this strap. There's some, parts that silver is showing through. Paint, got rubbed off maybe. So basically, what happened? The back needs all these lines to make it curve. So then, basically, I got a giant piece of paper cardboard. As you can see, this is just like cardboard paper, basically. And now I'm just gonna cut this slit out. And then once I cut the slit out, then I can glue it onto the back here. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, great. Now let's put this on here. So let's go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, great. Okay, so I have this piece right here, and I'm just gonna glue it to here. So ready? 1, 2, 3. Great. Looks like it's glued on. Okay, so as you just saw, I got this glued on. Now we need to paint everything here before we can put all the straps and stuff on. Okay, so really fast update. As you can see here, and as you've just seen in the video, this is all painted. So basically, now what I did is I drew this llama. Actually, I tried to draw it, and I ended up tracing it off of my phone, off the picture I had on my phone, so I could get it more accurate. It just wasn't looking correct when I drew it the first 3 or 4 times. So that's going to go on there. Part of it is going to be cut off because it's going to be under this. Once I think I'm going to paint this and then glue it on with tacky glue. Then I'm going to have that band kind of strip thing going off, or going over. And then if I just go on my phone right here, show you. So I'll get the band. Probably can't see that too well, but there you go. Get the band, and then those 2 little pouch things will be glued on as well. And then there's some amount of things that need to be like grimed up a little bit. The shield has some parts that I didn't bother doing yet, but I'll do that after. Okay, so I wanted to talk real quick about just stuff for if you're gonna make this. What I did before I get too much more assembled. I wanted to talk about that. So basically, I'm working on let's put it on here. That strap right there. I'm not working on the pouches yet, just the strap. And if you can see there on the back, there's like it buckle comes around. It has this little clasp thing, and then there's also like these handles. So that's all the stuff I'm working on, the back stuff. the strap across the front, and then how they attach to the back and stuff like that. So basically, I made these things out of that plastic stuff I always use. I cut them out. So basically, this is my strap, and now if I can get this right here, it will feed through like that. As you can see, this one here has more of this little piece that will help it kind of connect to there. So I don't think you can make the cardboard, so I just wanted to show you all these little pieces before they all get glued together, so you can make it. Okay, so I'm about to glue these straps around, and I'm going to use these buckles and put them like right here and here, and there's lots of different pieces, so I'm going to start on that. Okay, so basically what I'm going to do now, getting to the final stages of this build, these two I just made, you can see I made these like weird bump out parts. Each are a little bit different. They have like, one has like that, and they have these things, the straps. So these are like little pouches. I'm going to like paint them brown and kind of grime them up with black because they're a pretty dark brown actually. Then this thing actually needs, there's on the rainbow parts, there's some amount of like griming I need to put on that I didn't do before. And then basically I can glue these onto here, and then I think I just have to put like the handle straps, which are never going to actually be used, but just because that's what it actually looks like. I'm not making backpack straps because I want it to look as correct as possible. Also there's these little rivets I didn't brown. They actually need to be silver, so I need to go back and put rivets there and some rivets along here, and then that will be it. Okay, so all the thick paint is dry. All that's left to do is glue everything together, and I need to clean up this mess. And if Harry Potter knows anything, this should work. Wow, I'm surprised that worked. Okay, now let's glue everything on. I do hope you did enjoy those close-up shots. I hope you see why what everything looks like. So I'm not going to show too much here, but yeah, as you can see, front, back, so the straps going around. Excuse me. So templates here. In a second, I'll cut to closer up and I can talk about those. But basic just construction of the templates. So yeah, as I said before, this is like plasticky wood almost that I cut out in that shape. Really, there's nothing super hard if you have the templates. The llama I drew onto a piece of paper or painted on a piece of paper. Oh, actually, I don't have a template there. It's a substitute sheet of paper, but that doesn't need to be explained. I probably won't talk about them close up because I need to grab that. But so yeah, these boxes here are kind of glued on. Those little pouches. I really think it looks amazing. It's a backpack if I can kind of stick it on. As I said, not going to make any straps, but that's kind of what it would look like. Might be a little lopsided. I'm not sure how I'm holding it. So it's not actually a shield. These aren't actually able to put your arms through like the Captain America shield. I didn't intend to make it like that because the way in my picture, the way it would be like this. The straps are supposed to be like this, but then they make it so it's sideways. So I didn't even bother. By the way, if you would like to see the Captain America shield video, go up there. So let's just cut to looking at those templates there. Okay, so I thought I'd do this kind of close-up view just to give you a little tutorial kind of. There's 4 pages of templates, so it could get kind of confusing. So I'm just gonna run quickly through what all the pieces mean. So this big piece, they have how many you should make times 1, and I'm not gonna talk about that. So this big piece, sorry you can't really see that too well. This thing right here, it's raised up. This piece right here, that's just showing you how everything fits together. So a circle for the whole thing that is 15 inches tall, or wide. So that's the width of it. Then let's move on to this. There's the pieces on the back here. Just by the way, these pieces do not have templates, they're just like little strips of cardboard. Times 4, that is this piece, and then the one that wraps around. It's 4. This chain right here is made out, I told you about that. That has the height. This buckle little piece that is right here. That's the first sheet, or the second sheet, depending on how you look at it. Or the first sheet, rather, of 2 pieces. And some of these you have to connect. The second one, this piece right here, that is actually this piece that wraps around. And then this little thing right here, it shows like a height and a width. That's the one that actually goes all the way around. And then the second one goes up here. Then this little piece is that little strap. Times 4, that is the side. It's intentionally a little bit wavy on one part. That is that part right there. Then we have this and this. Those connect together into one piece to make this. Also, quick note, if you want to make this yourself, download the app Sketchfab. It is a 3D app, so you can look at 3D pictures and stuff. Really helps a lot with making this. So now that you've seen the templates, I hope you will make them yourself. Okay, I do hope you enjoyed. I do hope, as I just said, that maybe you decide to make this because of the templates. Tell me if you made it. That would be great to know if people are making these. Do hope you enjoyed. Please do subscribe and like the video. This took me about a week to make, so I appreciate it if you left a like. Yeah, so I'll see you next time.